Hey guys! In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 best whole house humidifiers available on the market today. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best whole house humidifiers. Number 1. AirCare MA Whole House Console Style Evaporative Humidifier. The modest size of the AirCare MA1201 Whole House Humidifier belies its performance, which has a coverage area of up to 3,600 square feet. The digital humidistat is controlled from a clear and easy-to-use front-mounted panel. Once set, it can be left to regulate humidity automatically. Should there be a desire to move it from one place to another, casters and a built-in handle make the task almost effortless. There are 4 speeds to offer flexibility of choice between high output and low noise. It is easy to clean too. The tank size is modest at 3.6 gallons and provides a maximum runtime of 36 hours. However, given the performance, that's perhaps not a major drawback. The AirCare MA1201 is also very competitively priced. Number 2. Honeywell Home He240A 2001 He240A Whole House Humidifier. The Honeywell Home is a fan humidifier that is designed for DIY installation and is easy to mount on either the warm air supply or the return duct of any forced air furnace. It has a capacity of up to 3,000 square feet. A 4,200 square foot capacity model is also available. Without the need to heat water, humidifiers of this type are usually more economical than comparable steam or bypass models. The flow-through design reduces maintenance. The included hygrostat is manually operated, though an automatic conversion is possible. While installation is a simple process when compared with other HVAC humidifiers, an additional kit is required. Number 3. AirCare 696 400 HP Whole House Credenza Evaporative Humidifier. With its wood grain effect and classic Credenza styling, the AirCare 696 makes an unobtrusive addition to the home. This is one of the most powerful whole house humidifiers on the market with a coverage area of up to 3,600 square feet. The built-in humidistat with digital control allows precise adjustment of the environment. Once set, it only needs to be refilled with water periodically. The twin tanks do have to be removed to refill, but the task is not too onerous with 2.8 gallons tanks. When full, they offer a maximum runtime of 45 hours. There are 3 fan speeds and an automatic shutoff for when the correct humidity is reached. While the AirCare 696 can be moved, it weighs over 30 pounds and has no wheels. Like other furniture items, it is designed to be stationary. Given its attractive appearance, it shouldn't be difficult to find a permanent site for it. Number 4. Aprilaire 500 Whole Home Humidifier. It's tough to pick a single best whole house humidifier because so many homes are different. The American-made Aprilaire 500 takes the award for its combination of efficiency, comprehensive feature set, and suitability for the average modern home, which is about 2,300 square feet, according to latest U.S. Census Bureau figures. This is an HVAC humidifier with an actual maximum coverage of 3,000 square feet. It has 2 sensors, one for outside temperature and one for relative humidity. Once the desired level is set using the clear digital display, the Aprilaire automatically adjusts performance to suit. This reduces power and water consumption, keeping bills lower as a result. The additional external sensor does make installation more complex than some, but the affordable price of the unit goes a long way to compensate for any increased labor costs. Once running, it is simple to use and highly effective. Number 5. Aprilaire 800Z 800 Whole Home Steam Humidifier. The Aprilaire 800Z is a high-output steam humidifier that works in conjunction with a furnace and is capable of providing precise humidity levels for homes of up to 6,200 square feet. Special heating electrodes allow ordinary tap water to be used, unlike competitors that often require a purified supply. Once the digital humidistat is set, outdoor and indoor sensors ensure automatic maintenance of the desired humidity, so this is a set and forget device. Alarm lights on the main unit warn of problems with water supply, steam production, drain blockage, or when the humidifier needs to be serviced. For homes without an existing HVAC system, a version is available that uses a wall-mounted fan situated in the main living space. Professional installation is strongly recommended for either model. However, the steam canister, which needs to be replaced every 6 to 12 months, can be changed by the user.